Well, it turns out that I should have packed a spacesuit when I agreed to move to Arizona because I didn't realize that we were moving to the surface of the sun. We're gonna build an evaporative cooler today, and we need some kind of tube thing. So we're gonna try and source it from recycled material. Let's check in here for some stuff. The people in here usually pull the caps off their bottles, but it looks like we have some of these good ones here, but these bottles are a little bit too thin for my liking. It looks like there's a whole can of something over there. Let's see what that is. We've got an unopened can of tomato soup. It's not even expired. Okay, I'll take that. I was really looking for... You really got to keep your weight centered on these when you jump in them because they're plastic, so they can flip over very easily. Perrier bottles. I think it's sparkling water. I guess I should have said we'll use this because I thought this, well, I guess it actually is one, but this one's glass. Don't feel like getting into cutting glass right now. Okay, you know what? We're gonna use these Talenti, I think it's gelato. This one was Madagascan vanilla bean. So we'll use these because the people that are here go through these like it's water. Alright, that was pretty simple. Do 3 of these as our holes, our vent holes. You'll see in a second. Oh man. The black part just got stuck in my butt crack and it was searing hot. Man. Alright, so let's take these back home. I pulled a bucket out of the trash the other day, and that'll be our base. We're not gonna put much insulation in there, but we'll be ready to cut in just a second. Just to show you what kind of mess we're in right now, this is jewelry stuff for the flea market we do, but I just want to show you how hot it is. Casey's temperature is normal. I'm at 99 degrees right now. This is 115 degrees in the shade. The weather app says 90, but that's wrong. We got Mrs. Klein's dill chips here. This is a 5-gallon bucket of dill pickle chips, but somebody else ate all of them, and now we just got this nasty bucket that we're gonna turn into an evaporative cooler. Wow. The principle of this design is that water goes in here. You can add some sort of insulating element if you want, and then boom, lid goes on there, but there's a hole in the lid for a fan. And you put a fan on here, and then on the side you get some sort of tunnel-like shape. Drill a hole through and boom, that goes through there, and then the fan pushes the air down, collects the water, and then as we all know, evaporation, the water takes the heat with it, so cold air comes out, essentially, is what's going on. So let's get cutting. I just found some proof that we're living in an alternate universe. This was apparently made in Englewood Cliffs, New Jersey, right here, which is interesting because over here it says, please reuse me, #pintcycling, which is very interesting to me because as far as I knew, New Jersey really didn't want to have anything to do with repurposing or recycling or downright anything good to do with the environment.
Wow, you're so mad right now?
Yeah, I'm hot. We're gonna use these ridges here. We're gonna chop off the bottom and then kind of use the ridges here as an anchor, if you will, a brake, so we don't have to glue those in place, and hopefully that'll stay there. I know this is kind of disorienting because of the netting. It looks kind of strange, but this is just a Coleman cooler. It's a metal one, so we didn't have to buy one with plastic, but it's full of water, and we keep it full of water for this purpose. Much cooler. I went to go grab this Reflectix, which is just spare pieces from when we initially foiled the trailer windows. So I'm actually going to line the bucket with this to keep the cold in and keep the hot out. And I also wanted to show y'all this super low power fan that we have. We have 2 of these, and we got them because they will actually run off of a cell phone battery bank. And I think this battery bank, I just found it, is my ex-girlfriend's. Lauren, if this is yours, let me know. But anyway, we'll turn this on and then flip the little switch back here, and then the fan turns on, and that feels absolutely amazing. But the point is, even if we lose our solar power, we can still use battery banks to run the fan. Hello. Made a joke because it looks like a rotary telephone. This would be a cool robot head or something. And as you can see, we brought the water level up to just below where these little things tip off. And now we're gonna hook this up inside with some power and see if it cools anything at all. Well, here she is in all her glory. You can see the water kind of getting pushed around in there just from the wind, and I also added a hand in there for extra cooling power. And up here you can see the fan just kind of pushing through. It has lowered the internal temperature about 3 degrees, but it's about 2 p.m. so it's going to keep getting hotter for 2 more hours. So I expect the results to be a bit more pronounced when we're not at peak heat during the day. But for now, I'm pretty satisfied with this result. If nothing else, it's a weird looking conversation starter. Thank y'all for watching. If you're new, welcome to the channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please check out our other stuff. We're still just starting out here, so be sure to stay tuned, and you can click that subscribe button and the little dinner bell next to it to be notified when I come out with new stuff, which hopefully will be as wacky as this. We hope that you're surviving the heat very well and a little bit better than us, or at least maybe you might have air conditioning or a bigger fan. But no matter the case, we'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.